Hello everyone, Andy is here. Welcome to my channel, Mandarin Studios. Today I'm going to show you a regularly used Chinese character, 请. Now let's get started. As what you can see from the animated image on the left, the character 请 is composed of 10 writing strokes. The character is a left and right structure. This character can be used as a main verb, which means please, request, or invite in English. So it is mainly used as a predicate in a sentence. This character is listed as one of the most commonly used beginner level 1 characters in the Chinese proficiency test, namely HSK. The writing stroke order of 请 is indicated as follows. "请" is the word with respectful meaning, which is equivalent to please in English. So it is widely used in daily life communications and various service industries. One thing that I need to point out is that in English, the word please can be used before a verb or after a verb to express a request. For example, please come in or come in please are both correct expressions. But in Mandarin Chinese, 请 should only be used before a verb to express a request. For example, please come in or please help me. If you place the character 请 after a verb, it will cause confusions in expression. So grammatically, putting 请 after a verb is a typical wrong expression in Mandarin Chinese. Now, I'd like to share with you some vocabulary words and expressions associated with the character 请. 请问 May I ask? 请坐 Sit down, please. 请进 Come in, please. 请假 Ask for leave. 请客 Entertain guests. 请教 Ask for advice. 请喝茶 Drink tea, please. 请安静 Be quiet, please. 请告诉我 Tell me, please.